Next up in our salad series is an awesome tuna and fruit combo. I know that sounds weird, but it's so good. Let's start with our apple. I'm using a Fuji. Go ahead and get it cored. Get those pieces out of there. Get these finely sliced into our bowl. With this, you can use anywhere from a half to a whole apple. That's up to you. I have a 1/4 cup of almonds toasting in the oven right now. 350, 5-6 minutes. And a 1/4 cup of shell pasta is also prepping right now. The pasta is obviously to the directions on the package. Now to keep the apples from browning, go ahead and add 1 1/4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Get those stirred up and covered in that lemon. I'm only using 3/4 of the apple because, well, I want a snack. To the apples, add about a 1/4 to a half cup of celery, finely chopped. We're going to throw in a 1/4 cup of grapes. These are small, so I'm going to throw them in whole. You could have them. Add 2 green onions. I'm doing the white and part of the green. Remember when scraping, always use the back of your knife, not the blade. Because otherwise you're dulling your blade down. These lovely little tuna packs, you can find them at your local grocery, Dollar General, I think Dollar Tree even maybe has them, but they're awesome. They're the perfect size for a single person. So go ahead and get that opened. Get the whole thing put in there. Get that broken up. Have my bowl of chilled pasta. Gonna go ahead and throw this in with it. Now in this bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and make my dressing. A 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. A half teaspoon of Dijon. About 3/4 teaspoons of curry powder. That all mixed up. Get that added to our salad here. This all stirred together. Now let that chill for about 15 minutes. Now I've got the remainder of a bag, butter and red leaf lettuce. I'll go ahead and use that up. So I'm gonna add a little bit of iceberg. Give those a quick mixy mix. Grab that out of the fridge. A little bit of salt. I'm gonna add about half the almonds I toasted. Top the rest of those almonds. And 1 tuna and fruit salad. 1 super supper salad for 1, because cooking for 1 is fun and delicious, and best of all, no food waste. For more salads in this series, go ahead and check out this playlist.